Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're unboxing a new subscription box on my channel. I never unboxed this subscription box before, and it's quite different from the subscription boxes that I unbox. And this is from Papergang by OHHDEER. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. And also, lovelies, if you see me the same clothes with my unboxing glossy box, because I'm doing it in the same day. So yes, today, lovelies, we're unboxing a new subscription box. I never unboxed this one before, but I was keeping my eye on it for a long time now, and yeah, I decided to subscribe. I saw few of their unboxing, their previous boxes, and I would love to receive them definitely. So yeah, I subscribed this month. So this is from Papergang. So if you're new to this subscription box like me, this is a monthly stationery subscription box. It cost £14 a month, including the shipping fee, but in your first box, I think £7. If I see the code, the discount code, I will pop in here or in the description box below. So yes, I paid for only £7 for this one because it's my first one. The reason that I subscribe to Papergang, lovelies, because my another hobby is collecting stationery, lovelies. I love looking at them. I love having them. Sometimes I don't use them because I really like collecting them, so that's why I decided to subscribe to Papergang. As you can see, lovelies, it's just a thin box, perfect size. Even though if you're not at home, postman, they can put in through the letter box. When you open it, lovelies, it looks like this, and it says how Papergang works. We think up fun ideas for a new Papergang box. An illustrator creates the design for it. Their creation are brought to life in stationery foam. You get a full box of stationery just like this one, straight through your letter box. For every 4 boxes sold, we plant 1 tree, which is really nice. And then we have this orange tissue paper, bright orange. Oh, so we have all the products in here. Let's see each one. Oh, I'm so excited. We have this booklet here, and it says Papergang OHHDEER. And this month, the illustrator or the designer of this box is from Lenya Lorkowski. I hope I pronounced it properly. I'm sorry if I didn't. So yeah, she is the designer of this month. And then, oh, this one, my daughter will love it definitely. Inside we have, you can color it. My daughter will love it. It's really cute. There's a bird, there's a pear, and there's a leaf, there's a cat. It's really cute. And then inside this box, lovely, we have a full-size planner. I really need one of these at the moment. My New Year resolution is to plan more because I'm quite at the moment all over the place, so I really need a planner at the moment. It's this one, lovely. It's made really good, as you can see, and it's really cute. It has the board, it has the half apple, the cat. It's so cute. As you can see, there's a cherry, I think there's a pear. So cute. And inside it says this planner belongs to, and we have notes in here. We have, it doesn't have the date, which is nice, so you can put the date you want. We have to do, and we have the timetable, the key task. This is really nice. And it has also, lovelies, the bookmark. So yes, I'm really glad this one. It's really made properly, lovelies. As you can see, it's really made properly, and it's quite heavy. And then the other product we received in this one, we have this one. I think it's a card, a really cute card. It says, "Where flowers bloom, so does hope, Lady Bird Johnson." And yeah, it's just a card. Then we have 3 pencil inside, and it's so cute. It says, "Be positive." Hope you can see it. And the other is, "Be kind," and the other is, "Be brave." Perfect words at the moment. We really need these words at the moment. And it has a code in here. Yes, 3 pencil. And then also inside of the box we have a sharpener, a gold sharpener. It has 2 holes, one big and one small one. And then we have, this is really cute, we have the post-it. It has 60 sheets inside, and it's a sticky note. It's a half apple. And that's it for this month, as you can see. And yes, overall for £7, I think this is a bargain. As you know, stationery, they're quite expensive sometimes, so I'm really glad that I received a planner because I really need right now. And yes, I definitely will continue for next month. I'm really curious for next month. And yes, I'm so happy with this subscription box. And you lovelies, what do you think of this subscription box? Do you want to try it? Let me know in the comment below. And as always, all the info will be in the description box below. So that's all, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye!